Welcome to Bright Little World. Ready to sing? Let's start.
Sniffle the unicorn sparkles when she sneezes. Glitter goes flying every time she wheezes. Happy or silly, or when she's just born, ACHOO! Goes her sneezy little horn. Sniffle saw pancakes stacked so high, banana ones reaching the sky. She got too happy, what a surprise! She sniffed and sneezed, glitter flies. A butterfly landed on her nose. Sniffle giggled, here it goes. Her sneeze made butterflies twirl in the sky, dancing with glitter floating by. The birthday cake was big and sweet, with sprinkles, candles, and frosting feet. Sniffle sneezed, boom, confetti flew. Even the cake sang happy ACHOO! Froggy washed cars with bubbles and soap. Sniffle saw a bubble, could barely cope. She sneezed so big, pop in the air. Now jelly beans bounce everywhere. At the fair she sipped a slushy cup. So many colors, she looked up. ACHOO! Went Sniffle, round and round. A rainbow tornado spun off the ground. A snail got stuck in sticky jam. Oh no! He said, I need a hand. Sniffle sneezed and saved the day. A glitter slide showed him the way. Now Sniffle knows just what to do. She aims her sneeze, not just ACHOO! In the big parade, her sparkles fly. Glitter floats like stars in the sky. Sniffle the unicorn sparkles when she sneezes. Now she spreads joy with magical breezes. When glitter goes flying, don't feel torn. It's love from her sneezy, sneezy horn.
Had fun today? Tap subscribe. See you next time. Bye!